Have you ever found the perfect product for your Shopify store but struggled to get it onto your platform? Well, today, we're going to solve that problem. We're diving deep into how to import Spocket into Shopify, a process that can streamline your dropshipping operations and save you tons of time. Why Spocket? Before we get started, let's talk about why Spocket is such a game changer. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you to a vast network of suppliers worldwide. It offers a range of benefits, including product sourcing, find high-quality products with competitive pricing. Order fulfillment, suppliers handle the entire fulfillment process, from packaging to shipping. Branding options, customize product descriptions, images, and more to match your brand. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the fun part, the step-by-step guide on how to import Spocket into Shopify. Create a Spocket account. If you don't have one already, head over to Spocket's website and sign up for a free account. Connect your Shopify store. Once you've created your account, you'll need to connect it to your Shopify store. This process is usually straightforward and involves providing Spocket with your Shopify store URL. Explore Spocket's product catalog. Now that your store is connected, you can start exploring Spocket's vast product catalog. Use their search function or browse through different categories to find products that align with your niche. Add products to your cart. Once you've found the products you like, add them to your cart. You can customize product details like descriptions, images, and pricing before adding them to your cart. Import products to Shopify. When you're ready to import your products, click on the Import button in your cart. Spocket will then import the products directly into your Shopify store. Customize product listings. After the import is complete, you can further customize your product listings on Shopify. This includes adding product variants, adjusting prices, and optimizing product descriptions for SEO. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you make the most of Spocket. Use Spocket's filters. Spocket offers various filters to help you narrow down your product search. You can filter products by category, price, shipping time, and more. Take advantage of Spocket's branding features. Customize product images, descriptions, and titles to align with your brand identity. Utilize Spocket's shipping options. Spocket offers a variety of shipping options, including standard, expedited, and dropship from the USA. Monitor your orders. Keep track of your orders through Spocket's dashboard. You can see the order status, shipping information, and any potential issues. Importing Spocket into Shopify can significantly streamline your dropshipping operations. By following these steps and taking advantage of Spocket's features, you can efficiently source and sell products, saving time and effort. Remember, so, what are you waiting for? Head over to Spocket's website and start exploring their product catalog. With Spocket, you can take your Shopify store to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.